This is a quick heads up about an issue that's currently going on in Illustrator and affecting some people. Probably not everyone, but some people are affected. I'm going to open a file, and as you can see, these are 3 artboards and we have 3 layers with 3 objects in it. So now let's head over to InDesign and place this. I'm going to place the file. Here it is. And now let's check the layers. So I'm going to Object, Object Layer Options, and you see there are a couple of layers, 9 of them. What we can do is try out the solution for this that worked for a lot of people. So let's go back to Illustrator. And in here, I'm going into the preferences and there into file handling. And in file handling, we have these 2 options, save in background and export in background. Turn them both off and then go to OK. And then we're going to save this again. I'm going to save as, and let's save this as test 3 and just go to OK. Head over to InDesign and then let's place this again. And let's take that one. And then let's go to Object, Object Layer Options, and there you see we have only 3 layers. So turning off the Save in Background solved this for most of the people who had this issue in the first place, and this is currently the only thing that you can try. Now, of course, this might slow down your workflow because you cannot continue working while Illustrator is saving, but that's the only thing you can try.